Hi, guys. Good morning. Let's look back at a few things that we've done this last week. I've missed you very much. I didn't really do anything this last week. I mowed the grass and I planted some flowers and I read all your writing because it makes me so happy. I read some books and all of that was fun. Do you want to look at winners? All right, let me get my list. All right, I have my secret list here. Last week, we were at 5,268 books that you had read. This week, we're at 5,384. 5,384 with an 88% average. That is wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, let's talk about winners. Are you ready? I took my top 4 points, and this is who it is. Bella, 30 points. Karma, 41 points. Jaden, 59 points. Chevy Bearden, 37 points. Congratulations. I will put your prizes in there. I am so proud of you. Let's go ahead and look at our packet this week. If you open up your packet, the first thing you have is a note to parents. They're used to that. No big deal. I was thinking maybe we could Zoom on Monday and Friday again. That was really fun. We had 7 people doing it. That was fun. All right. In your packet this week, we are talking about editing still. And they gave you some sentences, and you're going to edit them, which means on this one, it says to find the proper noun and make it a capital, because a proper noun is a noun, a person, place, or thing that must be capitalized. Do you remember? All right. That is on one of your activities, your grammar. You have your place value. We're used to place value, and we're also used to graphing. So you're good at that. You're going to be writing me a how-to writing this week on how do you make a sandwich. Do you remember when we did that? Now, we haven't done that since probably November or December. We talked about how do you tie your shoe, how do you make your bed. Well, when you do that, you still begin with a topic and a closure, just like always, but you need to tell me first, this is what I do. Second, this is what I do. We use transition words. Do you remember that? Next, last, finally. Those are all transition words. So that's in your packet for this week, and I can't wait to read those next week. We also had adding 3-digit numbers, and we'll look over that in a minute. You're pretty good with synonyms and antonyms. That's also in your packet, so that's pretty easy. You have some story problems, and you have one comprehension. It's a nonfiction comprehension on whales. So, and you've seen these before because we've done them just like this. That's your packet for the week. Now let's look at some of your writing that you did last week. We've had lots of different types of writing. One was winter or summer. Here's one. In my opinion, I like winter better than summer. That's a good topic sentence. Let me tell you why. Sometimes it snows. In winter, we have Christmas. Finally, I like winter because we celebrate the new year. That's why I like winter. I heard a topic, a closure. That was really good. Summer is more fun because you can go swimming. Next summer is more fun because you can go to the water park. Last summer is more fun because you can go to Magic Springs. That is why summer is more fun. Kind of agree with that. In my opinion, I like summer more than winter because summer is funner than winter. First, in the summer, I can go outside more than winter. Next, I can go outside and play on my trampoline. Last, I can go outside with a ball. I love summer. I love it. I think summer is better. My 3 reasons are you can swim, you can kayak, and play. You can play outside while it's not too cold. This is why I like summer. That's some really good writing, guys. I look forward to seeing your writing for this week. Let's get started with our lessons. Let's look at some of our math problems that we're going to be seeing this week. All right, we have 3 numbers here, 9, 3, and 1. I'm actually going to hold up the camera so maybe you can see a little bit better. I'm hoping that'll help. So when you're adding 3 numbers, you need to look for 2 numbers that can make 10, because remember, the faster you make 10, the faster you can add any numbers. It wouldn't matter how many numbers I put there. So let's take a look. We have a 9 and a 1. That makes 10. All you have to do is add on the other number. So 10 and 3 is 13. All right, let's go down to the next one. 6, 2, and 4. Do you see any numbers there that make 10? Yeah. 6 and 4 make 10. 10 and 2, 12. Remember, it's super easy when you add with 10, okay? Come over here and let's look at our money. Look here first. We have our penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. Penny's worth 1 cent, nickel's worth 5 cents, dime's worth 10 cents, and a quarter 25. Okay? Now, I'm going to put my camera back, and we're going to add up some of our money here, okay? Let me get it where you can see. Okay? I have up here, we're going to be looking at dimes as a group of 10, just like we normally count tens. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. That would be 33. Let's count them with dimes. So anytime you see a dime, that's going to be a group of 10, okay? So let's look. We have 1, 2, 3 dimes. So that's 1, 2, 3 groups of 10. We have 2 pennies. And what's a penny worth again? It's just worth 1. So that means that we need to have this 2 there. So 3 dimes and 2 pennies is the same as 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. 32 cents. All right? Now let's look at the next row. This row right here, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes. Remember, a dime is worth 10, so it would be 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 dimes. How many pennies? 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. Okay, let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 4 dimes and 4 pennies is equal to 44 cents. And you're going to be seeing that in your packet this week. Okay? Good job!